Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the area, clean, dry skin and no jewelry. Next, position the free end and anchor the wrap 1 to 2 turns below your elbow. Pull firm tension, enough to compress but not numb the forearm, because the anchor sets stabilization. Once anchored, make each subsequent pass slightly overlapping about 50% to build uniform support. As you complete the first layer, pause to test mobility. You want support while keeping pressurized circulation to the hand intact. Once done with the anchor, continue building support with angled cross passes across the elbow at roughly 30 to 45 degrees. You should overlap about half of each previous wrap to spread pressure evenly and avoid pressure points. Make sure to cover the tendon paths on both lateral and medial sides while avoiding pressing directly over bone ridges. Throughout, you must check fingertip warmth and pulse. If fingers go cold or tingle, loosen a bit and redo the last 2 passes to restore circulation. You finish by securing the wrap with tape or Velcro above the elbow, keeping the closure flat to avoid pressure points. Once secured, test full range of motion. Flex, extend, and simulate the lifting movement you'll perform. Make sure support is firm yet allows the motion you need. If you feel numbness or sharp pain, immediately loosen 1 to 2 turns and reassess. If discomfort persists after adjustment, stop and consult a coach or medical professional to prevent injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.